Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I will show you how to customize the mega menu in the Prestige theme on Shopify. So here guys, the mega menu is a powerful navigation feature that helps improve user experience and make your store look more professional. So here I will walk you through enabling the mega menu, adding multiple columns and images, customizing the layout for better shopping. So here, the first thing you need to do here is to go to your site. So here you just need to type shopify.com and you can start your free trial through your email, Google, or either your Facebook. And once you are on your dashboard, you'll be able to see here this one. So on this side, you can see different options here like home, orders, product, customers, content, analytics. And what you need to do here is to tap on your online store. And here guys, we all know that the mega menu is your powerful navigation feature. So what you need to do here is let's go to online store, and for example, let's try to customize this one. So as you can see here, we will be able to see the mega menu here. So what are we gonna do here is we are going to navigation. So here, navigate to header and then go to navigation. There you can click on a menu item to open the settings there. So just like this. So here you can add more like menu items before you start on customizing your mega menu. That, and right after that one, what you need to do here next is just double check. So here you can add another one. Here I'm gonna type here women's apparel. So take note guys, this is just an example. So still, this will be depending on you. Here I'm gonna drag it because this will be belong to the what we call this one, the clothes. So this will be your sub menu. Just like that. And next guys is you will be able to see here. So when we try to tap on this one, you will be able to see the mega menu. So here we are going to add multiple columns and the drop downs. So take note guys, the mega menu works best for main categories like clothing, accessories, or collections. So here you will be able to see it here. So what we're gonna do next is let's go to our online store. Let's tap on that one and start customizing it. So as you can see here, we will try on the dawn theme and then customize it here. So once you are on this part guys, on the dawn theme guys, you will be you cannot see the customizing the mega menu. So it is very important guys to first thing you need to do here is to download a theme, which is a Prestige. You'll be able to see there on the below on your theme, which is the dawn theme. You can shop another theme there and you'll be able to see there the Prestige. So here, going back here, we can try to type this one. And here, as you can see here, it is designed for premium, but you can use it for free trial guys. And once you want to publish it, there you need to pay it. So we are on this tutorial, so let's just try a free tutorial and a trial of this Prestige. So there guys, once you are on this part, you can add block inside the mega menu settings, and there you can choose from links, images, or collection list. Like here, tap on this one, the header one, and there you will be able to see there this one. You can see that one. And going back here guys, so let's try this one. So you need to add a block guys inside the mega menu settings. So here, you can also change this one. The logo. Here, you can customize on this part. And here, guys, you need to select a menu here. So here, you'll be able to see here also. So you can add another menu here, guys. And when we go to this part, wait, let's try to go back to the first one. So here, let's check it. So we cannot see the mega menu here. So if we edit this one, we'll go back here. So you can add another menu here. So what you need to do here is, as you can see here, guys, you need to go to the below the header. You'll be able to see here the mega menu. So here, this is the Prestige theme, guys. So you can see this one if you are on your Prestige theme. So here, you just need to type clothes and you will be directed to the clothes one. So there, you can now upload image like your product about, guys. But you can also choose from links, images, or your collection list, guys. So here, I'm gonna upload it from my computer. And here, these two pictures, I'm going to put it here. And of course, guys, keep your menu organized. Like use maximum of columns for easy navigations. So I'm gonna add another one. But I'm gonna put here a heading and then text. So for example, to that one is, I'm gonna put here wash clothes. And here, you'll be able to put here the link, and then I'm gonna add another one here. So just another example, guys. So in adding image to your mega menu, guys, it's really easy. You just need to click add block and then go to the select image. Then of course, you need to upload high quality image, guys, for the banners or promotions. And of course, you can link the image to a specific collection or product page. And don't forget to put a heading and then the text below it. And pro tip here, guys, is you can use transparent JPEGs for large banner images to maintain quality. And as you can see here, guys, this will be now the result once you will your mouse. So here on the mobile view, as you can see here, and right after that one, guys, you just need to click save, and you can test the menu on desktop and mobile. Check menu responsiveness on different devices. And that's it, guys, and a well-structured mega menu enhances user experience and boosts conversation. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like. Bye!